I am Irena Kirman, and my title is Associate Director in Clinical Operations and Project Manager. Yes, I have to do many things. My primary responsibility is the project, which is a new drug, a therapeutic monoclonal antibody. And I have to manage all daily activities regarding its non-clinical and clinical testing. Also, my responsibility is clinical development of this product, which includes interactions with a clinical site, doctors, nurses, project managers, pharmacologists, and so on. My typical day is a very busy day. I would have interactions with clinical and non-clinical sites, with our sponsor, which is a federal agency, NIH, and also with other team leaders within the company. Yes, it is probably not a very typical career path. I started my career in former Soviet Union, Riga, Latvia, and I graduated from medical school in Riga. I was always dreaming about a clinical research career. But I started my career as a physician, and my subspecialty was infectious diseases. And then I have been offered a position at a clinical immunology center. I accepted it, and from there, I went through a postdoctoral fellowship at Cornell University. And then I worked at Cornell University and subsequently at Columbia University. And actually, Elusys Therapeutics was my first pharmaceutical company, first pharma company job. Right, I think my greatest aha or inspirational moment was very early in my career, when I discovered that actually I enjoy research more than practical medicine. As I told before, I started as a physician, and I cannot say that I didn't enjoy that life. I did. Nevertheless, doing research was like really a moment of great discovery and enjoyment. Life in academia is more multifunctional. You usually do many things, not only strictly professional things like clinical research, laboratory research, but also budgets and interactions with IRB, with animal committees, other regulatory authorities, and many other things. Interactions with students, fellows, mentorship. And in a way, life in a pharma company is more structured. Your function is more narrow. And this was something to adjust to. But there are definitely many advantages to this more narrow function. You can improve yourself in this particular niche which you are working in, and that gives you an added possibility to improve yourself. My favorite part of job is receiving data, summarizing data, arriving to certain conclusions. Hopefully these conclusions are very positive. That is really my favorite part of the day, end of the study, where you receive data, where you are able to summarize, analyze, and come to a conclusion. Key skills that are needed for my job are number one, probably broad knowledge in both biology and medicine. Number two, good interpersonal skills. Number three, good analytical skills. And what also helps is probably at least some knowledge in biostatistics, pharmacology. Well, I think I listed main things. Right. My main advice would be follow your heart. Think and I think you have a huge exposure to many sciences, many areas of a certain science, and try to identify what is it that you like. Follow your heart. Try to develop your career in this particular area which you like. Try to find a good advisor for yourself. Don't hesitate to put extra time in developing yourself in this particular niche which you like.